everyone, you want to know how to kill ants, spiders, earwigs, wasps, a bunch of other disgusting insects that you really just don't want around your house or inside for that matter? Well, neither do I, especially with that big tick outbreak that's happening across the country. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them, and you can do this yourself. It's real easy using professional grade chemicals. Now, I had a pest control service for about 6 years, and I also had cameras around my house. Now, if I wasn't home, they were doing the bare minimum. I couldn't understand why I was paying them so much. I probably paid them about $700 a year to do something that I'm about to show you that you can do for probably 150 bucks. Anyway, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to explain these chemicals, and I'm going to show you how I use them and how often you got to do it. But first thing you want to know, this is not harmful to pets. That's a big thing. All right, so you can use this inside and outside. The key to it is you have to make sure it's dry before you expose your pets to it. Other than that, all right, let's get into these chemicals and what I'm using. All right, everybody, what we really want to know, right? This is Talstar 1. It's the same thing as TalstarP, just a newer version of it. This stuff right here is going to kill 75 different pests, whatever. And that's going to include spiders, ants, wasps, fleas, earwigs, roaches. The list goes on. This stuff is awesome. And this is all professional grade. This is what the professionals are using. And this is what they're charging us for. So I think I got this jug. I think it was like $67 off Amazon. Now, you only have to mix 1/2 ounce per gallon of water. Look how much is in here. Any applications you're going to get out of that? All right, let me show you the next chemical. That was your killer right there. This stuff right here, Tekko Pro, this is what's going to stop future bugs from showing up. All right, so whatever that Talstar doesn't kill, this is going to stop the maturity cycle of small insects from being able to breed for future generations to come. And this stuff right here, you're going to mix 1 ounce per gallon. This stuff right here is pretty awesome. I've been using this already, and guys, I can't even tell you the difference. And I am so glad I'm not paying anymore for someone to come out here. Watching them on my cameras, basically half-assing it when I can do it myself. Nobody cares about your home the way you do. So let's take care of it. I'm just here to show you how to do it. And chances are, if it's on my channel, it's going to save you money. Pretty much everything on my channel is going to show you how you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. All right, I'm going to show you a couple different things that you can put the application with. All right, application. All you need really is just a pump sprayer. That's it. These are fairly inexpensive. Box stores have them. Amazon's got them. Pretty much get them anywhere. This one's about a gallon. You can get them bigger. But honest to God, that's all you need. What I'm going to show you that I'm using, it saves a lot of time and it has a lot further reach, is going to be this Ego backpack sprayer. It's got a wand. It's got several different tips. Very soon, I'm going to be doing a future video on a review on this thing because I got to tell you what, I absolutely love it. But this is what I'm going to be using as you guys watch the video on how I apply it and where to apply it. So we'll see you here in just a second. All right, everybody. I know what you're thinking. I look pretty cool. I know. I feel like a Ghostbuster. But I'll tell you what, this is going to work. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start at the bottom or the top. Doesn't really matter. I'll start at the top. And I just spray along where it meets up here. And I'll go all the way down. Come down the side here like this. Down across the bottom. Go around the windows. Get in behind the gutters. Top of the window. And down here around the door. And repeat. Basically, you're going to do that all the way around the house. And then when you're done with going around the foundation, well, I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, everyone, let's talk about spraying the outside. I got my bug buster backpack back on. It's a couple days later. I lost the video from the other one because my microphone went dead. Doesn't matter. All right, anyway, so spraying the outside of the building around the foundation. The key to it is you want to try to go up probably 3 feet, 2 to 3 feet up, 2 to 3 feet out. Pay special attention to any vents. What I have here for those creepy crawlies to get in, go around all the windows. So you're just going to spray it. I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 to 3 feet up the building first. And as you notice, I have actually a fan sprayer on this Eagle backpack. That's one of the things I really like about it. So that works really good. Look at this. Go right up the side here. Around the windows. Now, look at this. It pretty much does it by itself. Now you can do this with a pump sprayer, because I did it for a long time with it. That's it. That's super easy. You can also use this, your mulch beds and stuff like that. This is not toxic to plants at all. The way this works is the water that you mix in your compound, that's just for application purposes. That's going to evaporate off your house, and it's going to leave the chemical behind to kill the bugs or the pests or whatever you're trying to get rid of. That's it. So make sure it's not going to rain or anything like that before it dries. Special attention underneath your porches, in your crawl space, go in your attic, go around your eaves, reach where you can without hurting yourself. And you're going to find out that you're going to have a pest-free home like I do. I can't believe the difference this has made. Unbelievable. Application. Let's talk about that. How often do you have to do it? They recommend every 90 days. That's fine. It's just like your pest control company when they come out. They do once a quarter. If you find out that you need to do it sooner than that, that's the luxury of having your own stuff and doing it yourself. Do it as you see fit. That's what I do here. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you got something out of it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm going to leave comments. I'm going to leave the description of everything that I'm using. So if you want the links, you're going to find them there. All right. Till next time, let's save some more money.